How to get your sound on TikTok. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you the secret way on how to get your sound on TikTok. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. Basically, you will need to record your video with your sound, and that video needs to be in an MP4 format, just so you know. And then after you're done recording the video, you will need to click on this plus symbol right here to upload it to TikTok. Now you need to select the video and then click where it says next. Now when you're here, just simply press where it says post and then wait for the video to upload to TikTok. When the video is uploaded, we're going to click on the video and then click on the sound icon in the bottom right corner. And when you are in here, just click on use this sound and now you will be able to use your sound on TikTok. If this helps you out, then I would appreciate if you could leave a like on this video, comment if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to answer you. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'm doing these kind of helpful videos every day. Thank you for watching and have a great day.